Welcome to the Mobile District. We are so glad that you're here, and we appreciate you supporting emergency response with us. We have created a series of 4 short videos to cover your virtual RSOI. This one in particular is going to cover your tasker and how to make sure you get paid correctly for all of your time here with us. Your deployment starts with your EngLink tasker. If you haven't received it yet, reach out to your home station EOC. They need to nominate you in the system. You'll want to travel on the first date of the tasker, and also make sure you return home to your home station on the final date of your tasker. Read your tasker. There is a lot of information in there, anything from POCs to reporting locations and event-specific information that you need to know while you're here supporting us. If you have any problems accessing your tasker, just contact your home station EOC. The Mobile District will provide a labor charge code for all of your time worked here on this disaster. Separately, we will also send funding to your home district for your travel. However, we cannot send funding for your labor and your travel unless we've been given your organization code, financial, and technical POCs. Make sure your home district EOC has provided that information to us in order to get your money.
Something else you'll receive from us is your tour duty letter. This will outline the hours that you may be expected to work while deployed and how they should be inputted into CFMS in the time and attendance module. Most tour duties are 12 hours, 7 days a week, but how they are paid depends on the type of employee you are. You could be a GS, FWS, or WB. Your local EOC should get a copy of your tour duty, but you want to make sure a copy gets to your timekeeper and your CSR to make sure you get paid correct. You will also receive a biweekly pay cap waiver. If you are an exempt employee, your home EOC will provide that to your CSR, and they will put in a request with DFAS that lifts the cap on the amount of money you can make in a particular pay period. This is very important. That way you make sure to get paid for all the hard work you're going to do on this deployment. So let's talk about how you're going to record those hours. We use emergency timesheets, and they are completed outside of CFMS TNA module, and they are specific to the type of employee you are, GS, WB, FWS. They are completed weekly, and they are verified by your on-site supervisor, which will be given to you on your deployment. Now, each district does timesheets a little differently, but it is most important to remember to retain a copy of your timesheets with the verification from your on-site supervisor.
One more thing about getting paid correctly. When you come to our event, you bring a permanent FLSA status with you that can affect how your overtime is paid. If you aren't sure what your FLSA status is, check your latest SF50 personnel action in MyBiz. Depending on what type of work you'll be doing, there are rules with the Fair Labor Standards Act that can seriously affect the rate in which your overtime is paid if you deploy for longer than 30 days. Therefore, USACE has a 29-day rule. Unless an extension is specifically approved by one of our staff, you must return home on the 29th day of your tasker. We know this frustrates some people, but we're just making sure that you're being compensated for the great work that you do here in support of the Mobile District.